So this is a live hands-on image of the Samsung Galaxy A55, the most anticipated device from Samsung. The launch is very soon as Samsung has officially teased the launch of the phone. Looking at this image, the Galaxy A55 appears very similar to the S24 with flat sides and rounded corners. However, the Galaxy A55 comes with a metal frame that will feel premium in your hands. The Galaxy A55 also features Samsung's new key eyeline design language, which was introduced with the Galaxy A24 last year, and the design rises the frame where the volume and power buttons are located. According to the report, it is confirmed that the Galaxy A55 will sport a 6.5 inches OLED display that offers Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the new smartphone could be powered with the Exynos 1480 SoC that is paired with the AMD GPU. The highlight of the phone is the CPU. Samsung claims that the new Exynos 1480 will offer improved performance and usability in day-to-day life. As you can see in the CPU, the Galaxy A55 is around 21% faster than the Galaxy A54. The A55's multi-core number also matches the Galaxy S21. It seems like Samsung has worked on their mid-range Exynos CPU. Let's see how this CPU works in real life. The Exynos 1480 processor will also come with an AMD RDNA 2 based Exynos 530 GPU and an integrated 5G modem. Additionally, the Galaxy A55 will have an in-display fingerprint reader, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5 megapixel micro camera, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The device comes with an options from choosing from 128 gigs or 256 gigs variant, and the A55 will also be available in multiple color options. Overall, I like this design with some new design upgrades. Samsung slowly making changes in their mid-range phones, which is a great thing. The Galaxy A55 will undoubtedly run Android 14 and One UI 6.1 out of the box. However, it is uncertain whether any of the Galaxy S24's AI features will be available on this mid-range device. So let me know what do you think of this Galaxy A55 in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.